this is two sources, point sources, from where waves are diffracting. So if they are diffracting, they are moving everywhere. Like this source is, the wave is reaching here also, at E also, at C also. This wave is reaching at E. This wave is reaching at C. This wave is reaching at D. So because of diffraction, they are bending. Similarly here, this wave is reaching at E. This wave is reaching at C, and this wave is reaching at D, diffracting. Acha, the point is, what is happening when they are reaching? Now, one wave is reaching from here. This is one wavelength, two wavelength, three wavelength, fourth wavelength, five wavelength he has reached. What about this? One wavelength, two wavelength, three wavelength, four wavelength, five wavelength, six wavelength it has reached. But there's a path difference from is of one lambda, five, six lambda minus five lambda. So that means they are meeting in phase. They are coming together, even though there's a part difference, but they're coming together at the same time. This is construct. This is constructive. This is constructive interference. That means here you will see a bright light, very bright light. Acha, what is happening here? This is again 1 lambda, 2 lambda, 3 lambda, 4 lambda, 4.5 lambda, 4.5 lambda. Here 1 lambda, 2 lambda, 3 lambda. Hold on. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is 4 lambda. Okay. So both are meeting at 4. So there's no part difference. So it's again constant. So again, this is bright. Acha, here 1, 2, 3 lambdas, 4 lambda, 5 lambda, 1 lambda, 2 lambda, 3 lambda, 4 lambda, 4.5 lambda. So lambda by 2. So that means one wave is reaching here and one is shifted lambda by 2. So that means they're destructive. So this is dark. So what has happened is light energy is distributed from some dark areas to bright area. So it is not continuous bright. Somewhere it is dark, somewhere it is bright, somewhere it is dark. So this happens in YDSC because of the path difference. Because diffraction happens here, interference happens here, somewhere constructive, somewhere destructive. So energy, you see a band which is called a fringe width. And that can be related to the distance, the gap between the slits and the lambda by that formula, this formula. This one, this, where lambda is the and A is the gap between the slits, x is the fringe width, D is the distance to the screen, and A is the distance between. So this is YDSC.